welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to block YouTube channels. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to block a YouTube channel, you can simply use the YouTube's inbuilt features. There you can simply tap open your YouTube app, and once you open it, scroll down and go to the channel you want to block. So once you have selected the channel you want to block, you can simply be in this kind of interface. Simply tap on the three dots icon on the top right hand side of the corner and tap on report user. So you can simply report them if you have any issues going on, which will lead you to the next option. This will allow you to not see contents from this channel. Otherwise, you can also hide user from my channel. So this means that this particular app will not appear, or this particular channel will not appear on your YouTube channel. So there is not a completely blocking option right now. However, this can be done instead of blocking a YouTube channel permanently. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.